So you might be asking, what's Mark doing in the kitchen with skewers, a bag of meat, unsupervised? He's making his family dinner from this month's July calendar rooftop recipe. So this took about 4 hours to marinate. We're gonna flash through. I'm gonna show you how we made the marinade, how we did the meat, and then I'm gonna be back while I skewer these, and we're gonna go outside and put these on the grill. So get ready. If these aren't some impressive looking kebabs, I don't know what is. Okay, different kind of cooking video. We're outside, and this is a weird one because Joyce has been out showing houses all day, so she came home to the delicious smell of raw kebabs.
They smelled awesome.
Couple tips. So when I showed them before, I forgot to put the tomato on the end to hold them in place. Notes on this recipe, 2 important notes. Number 1, skewers and dowels are 2 different pieces of wood. So if you have crafty people in your house, don't confuse the skewers with dowels, because you'll spend like 15 minutes trying to put a dowel through a piece of wood and there's no point on it. There's no point to it?
There's no point to it.
Number 2, the recipe said 1 bell pepper. I don't think that's enough because we ended up with one Genki kebab with no peppers. It's just onions and meat. So I put the junky meat on this one. So that's going to be a cool one. So now we're gonna put it in the grill. Grill's been heating for like 15 minutes. We're gonna rotate it every 2 minutes, quarter turn, and then we're gonna see how they turn out.
Sounds great.
All right. And just like that, these, after 15 minutes, were the most delicious kebabs we've ever made, and probably one of our favorite recipes from the rooftop calendar.